Hey friends, Lee Brown here. Welcome back to My Kitchen, My Rules. Now, if you just watched the episode with the upside down pineapple cake, you heard me drop you an Easter egg that I would tell you what to do with the last couple of pineapple rings in the can so they don't go to waste. So this is a sandwich that I learned from my dad growing up because, we was cheap and po from time to time, and you don't let anything go to waste. And so what you're gonna need is 2 pieces of white bread. And you could probably use rye or wheat, but let's be real, y'all are fixing to have a pineapple sandwich. Get your white bread out. And then you need Duke's mayonnaise. I will not give any recommendations to anything other than Duke's mayonnaise. And if y'all are using Hellmann's, I love how y'all like to at me in the comments about your Hellmann's. It's very cute and precious, but it ain't Duke's. So we're gonna spread some beautiful, oh, look how beautiful the Duke's is. Look, I know, right? Some of y'all are thinking, Lee Brown, this is not something I will ever eat. Y'all gonna have to trust me on this. I know it sounds weird. It's so good. And then use your trusty fork to fish your pineapple ring out of the can. Shake off the drippings. Oh, I dropped it, dang nabbit. Shake it a little bit because too much moisture will mess up your sandwich here. And then we're just gonna dip a little bit more. Oh, that one broke. That's actually perfect. Now I can play Jenga and scooch it around on the sandwich. And that's it. Look, that is your pineapple sandwich. This is a dream come true, quick lunch. I don't know if it's healthy or not, but it's so good. Subscribe and like. I'll see you next time.